My name is Dr. Helen Flavin. I am a research scientist and educator. My direct classroom experience covers grade 6 through college. I wish to share with you how the eye of a scientist, coupled with freely available resources, will transform the classroom beyond content to a place of scientific discovery within adventure. Let's get started. The exploration begins with a student asking, "What is a unit of blood?" We enter as Dr. A. Kyle Mack said, "We need a unit of blood here, stat. How is it this blood will help that patient? What is in that red liquid?" Red blood cells are discovered with a virtual microscope where students can manipulate the image. Blood can be separated in cell layers. Those spaces between cells under the microscope image are plasma. Then, of course, students need a glimpse of the real scientific equipment, the centrifuge, that spins those blood tubes. All of this discovery is driven by guided note sheets encouraging students to make detailed observations. The math component is pie charts of blood fractions. Group 1 discovers the amount of red blood cells changes throughout a lifetime. Each group must decipher the data, prepare the figure, and then present what it means to the whole class. Group 2 discovers a connection between red blood cell counts and anemia. Group 3 discovers Hispanic, black, and white males have similar amounts of red blood cells. Group 4 discovers Hispanic, black, and white females have similar amounts of red blood cells. One literacy component is deciphering then modeling blood types. Cards will be used interactively in upcoming explorations. A second literacy component focuses student attention upon the use of blood typing antibodies to reveal the invisible red blood cell antigens. Preparing for the virtual lab. Which antigens from the student's blood cards, which antibody or antibodies? Then, which antigens cannot be present in the transfused blood? Now, on to the Nobel Blood Typing game, where students must type the blood, then choose appropriate blood to be transfused. Within the classroom, you will see students playing the game as you see here. It is deduction and reasoning. They are saving a life. The African-American physician, Dr. Charles R. Drew, headed America's first blood bank. In 1942, the American Red Cross decided to segregate blood. Students communicate their mastery by writing a persuasive essay to the Red Cross, citing their evidence of similarity of all human blood. Blood typing at a crime scene provides an alternative context where students determine what that blood data reveals about the crime scene. Thank you for joining me for Eye of a Scientist, Dr. Charles Drew. What is blood and how is it used in transfusion?